Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the stopwatch command in Siemens PLC logo. First, we will open our logo soft comfort software, and here we will first delete this one old project, and in the left side when you scroll down and the timer category, the last and important this one stopwatch block, drag and drop it here and give the name in comments stopwatch. Also maybe you listen this name in mobiles or any in local market devices you can find in the stopwatch. What's the meaning of this stopwatch and how it works in the program? Let's start. First of all, we will take one input inside the because of there is a three inputs. No, one is enable, one is lab, and one is reset. For an example, one input we will be take for this I1 and one more we will be take and one more we will be take. And this first one we will be connected with the enabling and the second one we will be connecting the lab and this third one will be connecting the reset. So how this block works, go to the block properties and here you can see there is the session time base. Whatever you like to choose the time in minutes or seconds or also in milliseconds, which you like to be choose time base, you can choose this one. I choose this seconds and click it OK. As per scene, you can see this will be value shown. I will make the simulation on and after you can see this, I start this one and after you can see this is the value is running. But this one behind the lab values, if for example this I will make it on I2 and after this value will be shown goes into the lab value. But how I can see diagnose this value? So first we will open this one more block to check the status. Go down and here you can see the message text. Take this one block and drop and drag it here and one we can choose the high priority high status bit to check this block and this one connect this one and configure this block properties. This is the bit stopwatch one stopwatch. You can see there is a new parameters shown time base, current time, lab time and output time. So we will insert the parameters and here first we can give the time base. Second we can choose current time. CURRENT current time. And third we can choose lab time. Lab time. And in the last you can choose output. And also we will take the display and the time base and this one current time. Here we can choose and this the lap time here can choose, and this the output time can be choose, and click it OK, and make the simulation on. And after you can see our this main character 2 settings, this one is character 2. For an example, I gives the signal at I1. After you can see this the value is running, and this is also output is also shown in the output box. As I gives the signal I2, after this value which is running, that will be moves into the lap time. It is not showing, but there is a in behind the program, this will be shows into the lap time. As I remove the signal, this one time is also running, and this is now upside have a 32. As I give the one more signal, you can see in the updated 335. But as we stop this one, after time will be stopped. And if you like to be goes to reset priority high and click I3, after this all parameters will be goes to reset, right? Any value when it's started, you can choose by the milliseconds also. If it's running, you can choose, this is the seconds, also you can choose in the milliseconds, 10 milliseconds after update, and it will be can see this is the running the milliseconds time. As I give this I2 signal, after you can see which value is running in the current time, that will be moves in your lap time. And as we make the reset, after this all values will be goes into the reset value, right? Again we will be check this one timer, start the timer I1. You can see our timer is running, and when you like to be move this value in your saving lap time, click it on I1, which value is current time running, that will be moves into the lap time. Again I will close, and again I will move. You can see this value moves into the lap time, and as well I stop this I1. After immediately this time will be stops. But if you like to make this one reset, after you can click it I3, this will be stop this time. And you can format, you can choose in the milliseconds, you can choose minutes, you can choose in hours, you can choose in the seconds, whatever you choose, after it will be applied, and when you run this one, it will be run. Now it's starting as the seconds, right? So hope guys you will be understand about this stopwatch, how it's working. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.